While the university is commonly understood to be a place where different knowledge systems enter into dialogue and debate, the institutional structures of the university tend to acculturate and conscript different kinds of knowledge into their own existing categories for what can be known, how knowledge can be organized, and what forms of knowledge are legitimate and credible. The Different Knowing Speaker Series and interviews address the question of if and how the university can be a place of different knowings, different epistemologies, different knowledges.
I was in Switzerland, and these were dialogues put on by Globe Ethics, and they invited me because of this idea. But there were theologians, some UN people, specialists in human rights, a couple of them at least, and different religious leaders. You know, we had Buddhists, Muslim, Hindu, Catholic, Israeli, etc. Maybe about 20, 25 of us. We got together, and they were set to dialogue how cultures or religions can get along together. And I was invited, and we were each given a half a day or a day to present our idea or to do something with the group. We each had time to let others know who we were. And I was the only indigenous person there. So since I was there on the ethical space, that's what I did. And because we formed circles, in our main get-togethers, and I talked to them about dialogue, the importance of dialogue, and just some ideas about how we do dialogue. For example, symbolically, we'll leave our shoes outside the circle, just to symbolize that we will leave our status outside of the circle. We will leave our lot or position, or we will leave our ideology. Thought I'd throw that in. We'll leave our ideology and our doctrines, because I knew these were religious people, or the religious leaders with doctrines under their arm. And that we have to come to that circle, to that dialogue as human beings, first of all, unconstrained by, I don't know, human constraints or ideologies, etc. And I challenged them to come to the circle as, and I named off a couple of them as, you, and name them as you. Your very basic humanity. And it's not about talking about equality as a grand theory. Neither, it's not that as well. But I think it's about humanity. That's it's what kind of society do we want to create? When I say we have to create humanity, then that also must say something. Well, there is a vision for humanity, that how we fulfill our humanness. I don't know if that's meant to benefit my own people so much as it's meant to benefit other people. I don't know. That's part of the sort of the question. What direction does it go?